Hi, we're back. This is our Are you ready, Nick?
I'm ready.
Okay. This is our kindergarten, first grade, addition and subtraction, well, single digit and single digit subtraction portion of our show. Once again, my assistant, Nicholas. Say hi, Nick.
Hello.
We're recording live from Miniman Monkey Brains. So, let's get to it. Before, we had our cards, if you all remember. And we had our touch points, 0 through 9. We don't put touch points on 10. It's the way it goes. So, Nicholas, I would like you to turn over 2 of our cards.
All right.
Okay, what did you get?
12 and 13.
All right, no good for the first one.
There's 1 and 7.
1 and 7, excellent. I would like you to write 1 plus 7 on our board.
All right.
Okay. I would also like you, Nick, to put the touch points on our number.
All right.
Our numbers. Okay. All right, 1 plus 7. Now, I would like you to count up the touch points.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
All right, and write the answer. Okay, now we're going to do 5 of these. So, Nicholas, go ahead back to our deck of cards.
I'll erase this.
I'll leave it on there. We're going to put 5 on there.
Okay.
Okay.
1 and a 10.
Okay.
Is that good?
We can do 1 and 10.
All right.
All right, we're going to show them how you can do the higher numbers.
All right.
So, you write the higher number first. So, the higher number is which one? The
10.
Yeah, 10 is greater than 1. Exactly. Okay. Don't put a fancy 1. Make it a regular 1.
All right.
Fancy 1s are confusing.
Yeah, because now you're mistaken for a 7, right?
Exactly. Okay. Now, do we put touch points on 10? Is there any?
No.
Oh, we do not. So, you leave that double-digit number alone, and you put touch points on the 1. Okay. So, we're going to count up. So, 10 plus 1. Say that the first 10.
11.
Excellent job, Nick. Right, 11. All right, let's go back to our board. All right. Go ahead and turn over 2 more cards.
8 and 9.
8 and 9. All right. Now, the order doesn't matter on this.
Okay.
Okay. Put your touch points on. So, we're actually learning 2 different things here. We're learning single-digit addition and our addition facts. Plus, we're also learning how to count on. When we did numbers 10 and higher, we were really just counting on using our touch points. At 9 looks suspicious. Look at the 9 at the top.
Oh.
Yep, that's a pretty common mistake. That's okay. I'm glad you corrected. All right, 8 plus 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Excellent job. Write your number. Okay, good job. All right, let's just do 1 more.
Okay. A 10 and a 13 now. A 5 and... let's go 5 and 13.
All right, good choice. 5 and 13. All right. Write your larger number first. So which one's larger?
13. Plus 5.
Can you put touch points on 13?
Well, I can only put touch points on the 3.
Well, yeah, but we're not doing that. That's second grade. So for our first grade audience, can you put touch points
No,
on?
I cannot.
Okay. What number can you put the touch points on?
On the 3.
No.
on 5.
Yes. Put some touch points on your 5.
Okay then. Try and get rid of the blue.
It's okay. Okay. So, say the larger number first.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
All right, write your answer.
Wait.
Yeah, make an S.
Yeah, I was doing the other way, my way.
No, we're going to do it the correct way. There you go. Nice job. All right, so, Nick, you can go ahead and erase that board.
All right.
Because now we're going to do some simple subtraction. Or, I'm sorry, single-digit subtraction. It's not really simple. So subtract, when you're adding, is the numbers getting bigger or smaller, Nick?
Smaller.
When you're adding?
No, adding it, numbers getting bigger.
Thank
When
you.
you're subtracting, numbers getting smaller.
Excellent. Okay. So, why don't you take one of the larger numbers. Oh, I'll turn over 2 cards.
Okay. Turn over 2 cards.
Yeah, 2 new cards. Just turn over 2 new cards.
Okay, 2 and a 9.
9. Which number is bigger?
9.
9. We always write the larger number first. So, go to the board again. Write the 9. Minus, or subtract, 2.
Oh, 2.
Erase that, because let's write it the way I have it, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Nick. Okay. Now, we are not going to write any touch points on the first number or the larger number. We are only going to put touch points on the smaller number or the second number. Okay. Now, you're going to say the larger number and you're going to count backwards. So,
9, 8, 7.
excellent. All right. Turn over 2 more cards.
All right, I got an 11 and a 6, so 11 minus 6.
Okay, we can do that. So which was the larger number?
11.
Okay. Which number you can put the touch points on?
A 6.
Yes, it is the smaller number. Okay, so go ahead and count back.
11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Good job. Let's do 2 more.
Okay. A 5 and a 3.
Okay, Nick. Which is the larger number?
A 5.
Write that one first. Okay, and put your touch points on the smaller or second number.
All right. Is that 3 good?
Yeah, that's good. Okay,
5, 4, 3, 2.
excellent. And let's do one last one.
A 4 and a 2.
A 4 and a 2. Okay, Nick. Which is your larger number? Okay.
Nah, I know. That's not the right 4.
Yeah, thank you for self-correcting there. Okay, put your touch points on your smaller and second number. Okay,
4, 3, 2.
excellent. All right. So, all right, we're going to do a little more addition, or should we do the number exchange?
What do you think, Mom?
I don't know, I'm asking you.
Oh, the number exchange.
All right, so clear off the board here and let's do some number exchange. What you're going to need for number exchange, we're going to do nickel exchange. So what you need is pennies and nickels and a dice. So I'm going to put the pennies here,
The nickel?
or nickels, thank you, Nick, and I'm going to put the pennies here. Okay, so you're going to need, I would say, get I would say a couple of nickels. Do like 5 nickels and 10 pennies. You're going to see, you're not going to need that many pennies. All right, you also are going to need a dice. So, let me get a dice. All right, so, all right, Nick, we're going to do nickel exchange.
All right.
So, how much is a penny worth?
5 nickels. Five penny is worth 1 cent.
1 cent. How much is a nickel worth?
5 cents.
So, there you have to have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies equals
1 nickel.
1 nickel. So what you're going to do is, and I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first, when you get the first person, you can play with a pair or you can play individually. What you're going to do is you're going to roll the dice, and whatever number you get on the dice, you're going to pick up pennies. So go ahead and start. 2. Count out 2 pennies.
1, 2.
All right. Do you have enough to exchange for a nickel yet?
I do not.
Okay. Roll again. What'd you
5.
get? 5. Count out 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right. Do you have enough to exchange yet?
Yes, I do.
All right. Give me 5 pennies. There you go, and you get 1 nickel. Okay, and so when our nickels are all gone, the game is done. All right. Now, interesting to note. Look at what your money in front of you.
I have 1 nickel and 2 pennies.
So you keep the pennies that are left over. Don't start counting. Don't put them away. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
1.
Okay.
1 penny.
So
3 pennies. I do not have enough for a nickel.
Okay, how much money do you have all together there?
5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah, very nice. 5 plus 3 is 8.
2.
Take 2.
1, 2.
All right.
pennies.
Do you have enough to exchange?
Yes, I do.
All right. So how much money do you have?
5, 10.
Oh, interesting. Notice he didn't say 1, 2, because a nickel is worth how much?
5 cents.
So it would be 5 plus 5, or counting by 5s, right?
Yes.
All right, nice job. All right, roll again.
4.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, do you have
1, 2, 3, 4.
do you have enough to exchange?
No, I do not.
Okay, roll again.
4. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Okay. So,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have enough to exchange for a nickel.
all right. Exchange for a nickel. How much money you got?
5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18.
I like the way you counted down. Very nice. Okay. Keep going.
1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not enough.
Not enough.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, do you have enough to exchange?
Ooh, I have enough to exchange for 2 nickels.
Wow, all right. All right. So, how much money do you have?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
I like the way you counted by 5s. Nice job. Okay, and that would be the end of that game. All right. So, thanks again, Nick.